Hello and Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Amna Habib, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add header and footer to your MS Word document. I have already added header and footer to this document to show you actually what is header and what is footer. This is basically header. Here you can add different information, like if you are writing thesis or synopsis, you can add chapter number, chapter name, and in footer we mostly add information like date, page number, and author name. And it is very simple to add header and footer to a Microsoft Word document. So let's go toward a new Microsoft Word document, and I will show you practically that how you can easily add header and footer to a document. This is a new document, and first of all, if you want to add header, you will go towards insert. Then in top right corner, you will see the option of header. Click on it. Here you can see different options. These are actually different designs of header, and you can choose whatever design you like and whatever design you want to choose. So I will choose this one. So here you can type anything according to your requirement, like I add chapter 1, and here I add its name like introduction. If we will go down, we will see that same information has been added to other Microsoft Word pages as well. So it means that header has been added to whole document. So this is very simple method to add header. Now let's move towards footer. So again, you will go towards insert option. Here you can see in top right corner that there is an option of footer. Click on it. There are different designs of footer. You can choose whatever you want to add, but I will choose this one. So footer has been added, and we can add different kind of information in footer. Like usually we add author name, page number, and date. So when we will go down, we will see that same footer has been added to all other Microsoft Word pages. So this is very simple method to add header and footer to a document, and I hope you have understood this video and you can easily add header and footer. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.